what we are learning that the M&S is at it again. Now they have attacked a Marwadi shopkeeper who is now being thrashed. In Mumbai, this is another shopkeeper, another incident, what we are getting to know, who was beaten up and was made to walk barefoot. As apparently what is being said that the shopkeeper was attacked over one of his WhatsApp posts that had irked the M&S Karyakartas. What is being said? There has been another incident which is now been reported. This is from Vikhroli area of Mumbai. Videos that has also been taken up as far as the shopkeeper is concerned in the manner in which he was beaten up, and what is being said that over a specific WhatsApp post is now concerned, the M&S Karyakartas took out a procession on the road against the shopkeeper who, according to them, made an objectionable comment about Marathi. Now, this seems to be the claim that has now been made over this incident. We have Rucha with us. Rucha, can you get us the details exactly when it comes to another shopkeeper in Mumbai who has been attacked by the M&S? Rucha, please give us the details of this incident.
This started from a WhatsApp post, this started from a WhatsApp post shared by this person who is a Marwadi shopkeeper, and for posting that he has been thrashed by the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena. Previously also we have seen how in Mira Bhayandar a man was assaulted for making derogatory remarks on Marathi language, Marathi people, and this time this person has shared a quote on WhatsApp status saying that this is the power of Marwadi people, this is the power of Rajasthani people, and Maharashtra mein hi Marathi ko pel diya are the words which have triggered this controversy, and for which the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena party workers have found that person and made him walk barefoot. They have paraded him as a shame, and more than that they have also beaten him, after which they made him to apologize, to say sorry on video camera for making those remarks, and despite that the M&S workers have also registered a police complaint with the Vikhroli police station for making the provocative remarks. Now this comes after the Marathi versus Hindi language row in Maharashtra, and we have seen how in the past many of such incidences have taken place where Maharashtra Navnirman Sena workers have been violent against those who are refusing to speak Marathi, and again this another incident again
following as far as the Chief Minister's warning is also concerned that those people who take law in their own hands will also not be spared. This is yet another incident, if we say, in the last 2-3 weeks that has taken place.
Well, of course, Chief Minister had already made an announcement that those who will be taking law in their hand will not be spared, and this is not just about Marathi language, but violence continues in Maharashtra, in Nagpur also. 2 days back we have seen similar incident where a person was attacked for not speaking Marathi, was continuing speaking in Hindi, and this is again triggering topic in Maharashtra where the M&S is becoming violent on those people who are refusing to speak Marathi. This started from Hindi language's compulsion, and it has now taken a very bad turn in Maharashtra where people are abused, people are publicly humiliated for not speaking Marathi.
What is being said as far as the M&S goons are at it again? What is now been said that they beat up a shopkeeper, made him walk on the road without any slippers. Along with this, a complaint that has also been lodged regarding this incident, and what is being said that they were offended by the shopkeeper's particular WhatsApp note that they made such kind of an incident as far as the assault that has also been recorded on cameras. We have Shaina NC with us. Shaina, we have seen when it comes to the warning that was issued by the Chief Minister himself over such, individuals who take law in their own hands. However, another shopkeeper has been assaulted by the M&S workers.
Look, I think it's most unfortunate. You have a party that has no ideology and no political relevance. And what are they choosing to do? They are trying to create tension between certain sections of society. And I think it's most unfortunate to have this tension rise in Maharashtra because we have always encouraged people to speak Marathi. We have always said that people should learn the language of the state, and Marathi Asmita is of paramount importance. But there's a way to do it by encouraging people. And there you have the MNS chief saying that no video as evidence of any such incident should be made. I mean, what are you talking about? These are assault videos that have surfaced online, and the police has taken action. The cases have been filed with regards to their karyakartas. And then on the other side, you have the Ubada Sena, which is only trying to reposition itself at a time when we all know that there is no ideology, because that ideology was lost the day they chose to join.
China, that's what we are looking at. In almost 2 weeks, this is the second incident that is now taking place where these MNS workers seem to be warning against disrespecting the Marathi language and culture. Thank you very much for joining us here on the Morning News.